Hello, everyone, and welcome to the new Ocean Weather Services YouTube page. To start off, we're going to take a little review of Hurricane Elsa as it passed by Tampa Bay recently. This was back on July 7th on a Wednesday. First of all, as Tropical Storm Elsa was moving north of Cuba along the west coast of Florida on the 6th, the National Weather Service Center in Miami upgraded Elsa to a hurricane. And on the 6th, based on the Air Force Recon report, that max winds had increased to 60 knots. That's about 70 miles an hour. And as a result, hurricane warnings were issued for a portion of the west coast of Florida, including Tampa Bay. As the center of Elsa passed west of Tampa at about 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on the 7th, the hurricane models were indicating sustained winds of 50 knots, that's 58 miles an hour or more, should have been widespread across the Tampa Bay area. However, actual surface wind reports were less than forecast. Here you can see the model output showing an area of 50 knot and higher winds along the west coast of Florida, completely covering the Tampa Bay area. Actual reports, however, Tampa Bay maximum wind was only 21 knots with a gust to 31. At St. Pete, 29 knots with a gust to 40. Sarasota, 26 knots with a gust to 47. And at the St. Pete Clearwater Airport, the St. Pete Albert Woodard Field Airport, 34 knots with a gust to 45. Okay, as Elsa passed Tampa Bay to the west, reports did show that the peak sustained winds were between 21 knots and 24 miles an hour.